Hi everyone, welcome back in another video. So today in this video we are going to see how we can use S3 migration website to migrate our S3 bucket. So in this video basically our target is to understand the structure and how we can migrate our data. So on the screen you can see we have created a just a sample website. It's not that much complex or anything more is nothing integrated in it. This is just a simple. So at the top we have our navbar, which I have copied from one of my website. Now next we have one box. Means we have two boxes. First box is for from and second is to. Now here in from first bucket, what we need your AWS secret ID, and after that like secret after that secret key, and yeah, the reason in which your bucket is present, and the next is your bucket name. Same for the account which we need to transfer. So now guys, see, here is some challenging point. So what is that we will see in this video. And once you have filled all the fields, you can click on migrate now, and this will start migrating in background. This will not work anyhow on your client side. Everything will happen on server because it's built on Next.js. So even you close the browser, that doesn't matter. So now let's move to our S3 bucket, and here now we will see what we need to set our policies and the course policies, and we will see what need to be there. Okay, so now if I come to here permissions, so guys, you can look here. So if I zoom it, so these should be the bucket policy. Okay, these should be the bucket policies which you need to set. Okay, change your resource according to your, like, change this according to your resource. And after that course policy, like course resource sharing, change this also. Okay, no need to put here localhost, just remove this one line, that will work fine. Okay. Okay, now this is the code which you need to set as a permissions in your S3 bucket, and make sure that you set this on both account 1 and account 2. Means account first bucket and account second bucket. Only then it will be able to migrate your data from one bucket to another bucket. So this was the main thing, like which I want to tell you. So I think that's all in this video, and thank you guys for watching this.